The spotted dove. The spotted dove is a small and somewhat long-tailed pigeon that is a common resident breeding bird across its native range on the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. The ground color of this long and slim dove is rosy buff below shading grey on the head and belly. There is a half collar on the back and sides of the neck made of black feathers that bifurcate and have white spots at the two tips. Spotted doves move around in pairs or small groups as they forage on the ground for grass seeds, grains, fallen fruits, and seeds of other plants. They nest mainly in low vegetation, building a flimsy cup of twigs in which 3 whitish eggs are laid. Nests are sometimes placed on the ground, on buildings, and other structures. Both parents take part in building the nest, incubating, and feeding the young. The eggs hatch after about 13 days and fledge after a fortnight.